Don't buy gold at this zone. Now, I posted an analysis this morning when gold was at this zone. And I told you that if this candle, this is a 4 hours candle, that if it closes, it means that this is a bullish engulfing pattern and this is a support zone that is going to buy. Now, it bought to an extent. I waited for a correction. After I waited for a correction, few pips below the correction, it did not trigger my buy order. So I really did not enter the trade. So I lost the trade, and that is all good, and that is fine, because as a trader, there are some times that you're going to have a missed entry. Now, what is really happening in gold? Now, let me tell you something. This buy that gold is buying, it is a weak buy. It is not as strong and powerful as the sell that gold have been having recently. What does that mean? Let us check the bigger structure. Let's see which trend is about to happen and which trend is likely to happen. Now, these have been a downtrend. These have been an uptrend. Now, if you can look, this is a trend line. This was a double top. That means that the trend is about to change to a downtrend. Now, what really happened? It broke this trend line at this zone. And after it broke it, it came to retest it. And it's not only the trend line is retesting to, it is coming to retest this neckline, which means that this neckline now have been turned to a resistance. Resistance from a neckline, resistance at a trend line. That is two resistance option. Like you have two resistance now that you're about to enter. So now, if someone have entered at this point, now you are bringing a whole lot of profit. Now, what is really happening? At this zone now, this move that the market have made, it will buy to retest this zone. That is my analysis. Meaning that this zone now, there's going to be a lot of correction, like a lot of rejection here. But I'm waiting for this market to retest to this zone, because this zone was the one that was broken and it have not been retested. And once it reaches this zone, the bias of gold is going to change, meaning that I feel that gold is going to sell from here. Why? It have made 1, 2, 3. It have made a 3-point move. And as it have not broken this trend line, it is not buying yet. Yes, so it can buy to this point, but if it doesn't break this trend line or this zone, leave it. Gold is not buying yet. So for those of you that say, gold go to reach 4,300, 4,300, wait and calculate. This is a bigger structure. This is a bigger view. So gold is actually really coming to this zone. You understand? So once it comes to this zone, if it doesn't break this zone and this zone, leave it. Gold is going to sell. Thank you very much, and follow for more.